All right, and what are we going to do today, Callie?
Today we are going to be opening up some lock stars. So we got a rabbit, a robot, and I think this is a unicorn. And you can put them on your bag, shoes, and basically whatever you want.
All right, so let's take a closer look at the box. So these are called lock stars. So it looks like it's Series 1. So they're for ages 4+. Lock on. And there's 2 surprises inside. So it looks like you got a couple keys. You got the lock, and it looks like a pendant or a charm or something right there. All right, how many is there to collect, Callie?
48.
So there's 48 to collect. So it's made by Hasbro. And there's a closer look. You can put them on your backpack. You can put them on your shoes. So there's lots to collect. All right, Hasbro, let's see how many there is to collect.
Also, we have been opening a lot of Hasbro toys.
Lately, I guess we have been. All right, so there's the different ones that we're going to be opening. So Jordan, you're going to open up the middle one.
Here you go, and I'm going to open up these.
And Callie's going to open up those two. All
That
right.
was very cute, though. I do have to say, I like.
All right, Jordan. So come on up to the table.
I'm already starting. Jordan, you can start whenever you like. Or do you want to wait for me?
All right. Let's see what's inside, Callie.
So first, I'm gonna get the lock out, the main thing. Okay. So first, there's a cute little unicorn. That's so cute. And then our surprise is...
There it is. There's the lock part.
Gosh, look at this. This is adorable.
Oh, it's another lock. So it comes with 2 locks. I guess that's why there's 2 keys.
Yep. And then I got, I think, a cute little ice cream charm. I think it's vanilla ice cream. And then...
There's the charm. Yeah, it looks like an ice cream cone. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Then this is one of... John, I can help you open that.
What's this?
So that's a cute key. It has like the...
Oh, yeah, okay, so
kitty
here's one of the keys.
And it has like something at the top, I think.
Yeah, it looks like a kitty or something, right?
And then I got that. Jordan, can I help you?
Oh,
Okay.
let's open these first, and then Jordan will open.
Okay.
All right.
And then I got this.
Oh,
so
there's
it
a
tells
collector's
you what you
guide.
can get. There's 48, and we only saw like 10 choices at what we saw.
Well, no, there was actually a lot of choices that we saw. All right, so it looks like Lock Stars Mystery Locked Figures Series 1. So it looks like there's all kinds of different ones to collect. Lock Star with Mystery Lock figure, each sold separately.
There's a surprise in here I can see. There's a surprise in here, so it's not that
All right.
creepy.
So here we go. All right, so we'll keep that right there. All right, so let's
How do you turn this?
see how hard it is to open up these things.
Do you just put the key in, I guess?
Yeah, you should just be able to put the key in and
Twist it, maybe?
turn it, and then you should be able to feel it open.
This kind of looks painful. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna break it. Seriously, this
Well,
won't open that.
Try the other key. I'm not sure if
Try the other key.
I'm not sure if the different keys are.
4+.
No, it's actually 3 plus.
No, it says 4.
4
Oh, it
plus.
says 4 plus, not 3 plus. It won't work.
All right, we're gonna. I don't think that we actually have to use the key. You can just open them up from right in there.
And there's a cute
So-
little rainbow charm.
Let's take a look.
Yep. And
So
there's
yeah,
nothing in
it
this
said
one.
it comes with 2 charms. So there's the rainbow charm and then the ice cream cone charm.
Yes. Right here. Okay, so now I think it's your turn.
All right, Jordan, it's your turn to open them
Clean
up.
this up a little bit. Jordan, if you need
Oh, I
help
know
this
how
after.
to open it.
Don't use your lightsaber.
He's using a...
You don't use your fake knife.
No, it's actually a fake sword.
Fake sword, sorry.
Ooh, I made a hole.
Let's see if Jordan can open it up with his
I
fake
opened
sword.
I opened it up so easy.
That's not gonna work.
There we go.
Now the soul comes in.
Why does the sword come in now?
It's so easy. Jordan, I think that's good. You're gonna break it.
Yeah, I think that's
You're
good.
gonna open up on the table. It's gonna like go, like, and then take that off and do it on the table. See?
Don't.
Don't throw that behind you. That's it.
Oh, Jordan. Alright, let's see what it comes with.
This.
So it comes with
Can I see this? For a
this
second?
little pendant.
It's blue and mine's a cutie.
What is that? Oh, it's like a whistle or something? What does that look like, Callie?
That is a sports whistle.
That's a sport. Okay, I thought so. So it comes with a little sports whistle.
Isn't this cute,
Ish.
though?
Looks like it.
Isn't this so cute? Oh.
Did that come out of Jordan's?
Yep.
Okay, let's take a look.
Can we stand? No, I can't.
Oh, there's
Mine can
Jordan's.
stand, but Jordan's can't.
Kind of looks like, what was it? Stitch? Look.
Yeah, Stitch. They're all Stitch.
So there's the two small ones, and there's the aha. Stand up,
Stitch.
man.
Stitch fell off.
All right, Jordan.
No, they all
How's the other ones
fell.
coming?
Their heads are too big.
What's that?
Oh, I did it.
So let's just keep
All right,
adding stuff over.
So there's
I can
a couple keys.
To do this. Hey, let's do this.
Jordan, don't use the sword to your toy.
So there's the keys.
Poor toy. And he just broke it.
All right, Jordan. Stop throwing things behind you. Yeah.
Jordan, you don't need the
You actually don't. What? So he's going to show you that you don't actually need the key to open it.
Open!
You know there's another key, right?
We're going to use the other key. Let's see if it opens.
Jordan, just open it, literally. I'm waiting.
Oh, look at that. Oh, they actually do open. Okay. Leave it up to Jordan to find out how. Oh, yeah, that's cool.
Dude, that is so cool.
All right, so it does open from the bottom, and that's where... And it does open from the bottom. You see from the at the bottom?
Oh, you can do it. I did stick it in all the way. That's why.
That's why.
That's why.
Oh, that's cool. All right.
That is so cool.
Okay, cool. They do open. All right, Jordan.
Yep.
Let me
What
see.
did you get?
All right, so this is what it looks like. It's a little robot.
Cute little guy.
All right, Callie, did you want to open up the bottom?
Yep. Not
You were taking too long.
So it's a little. Oh, that's cute. I think it's like a little stocking. I'm gonna get
Oh,
ready. to
yeah,
open
look at that. It looks
mine.
like a sock or a stocking or something.
Maybe it's a smelly Jordan sock.
Sorry, guys. There we go.
Whatever you.
Hopefully it's not. Hopefully it doesn't smell like Jordan's sock. Cause ugh.
Open.
Because Jordan sock smells so bad.
Is it opening?
Open.
Well, I think that one would probably open up the other one.
Can I please open this up now that Jordan's all done?
Yep, you can open up.
Open.
Drew, you have to stick it all in.
All right, so there's the unicorn again.
They're so hard to stand up because they have such big heads and their body are so small.
I think because you end up putting them on your, you can put them on your bag or your shoes, or you probably want the smaller ones on your shoes.
Yeah, definitely. If you have the big ones, it's like, ugh. Why is there something? Ugh. This is cute.
I think I'm on my bed.
This is cute. This is very cute.
All right, let's take a look. Oh, there's that.
There's this. Don't know that.
And these can open just by the side.
Key? One key? This is so cute. It's like a little piece of carrot cake because like she eats carrot cake. I love carrot cake.
Carrot cake.
I love it. I should. We could have had carrot.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
We could have
It does.
carrot
It looks
cake
like a
for my
piece of-
birthday.
Looks like a piece of cake.
We could have carrot cake for my birthday.
We could have. You never said anything.
But instead I had yummy pie. Look, its ears sticking out. How are you supposed to open this?
There you go.
Like that.
Like that.
I wish the easy one instead of unlocking it.
Let's take a look at it first.
Okay. And we're gonna see what this is.
Pieces of paper.
There's the look. There's the rabbit.
I think this is like a paintbrush or something.
Oh.
Here, you guys can look at it. If we can,
Oh, did you open it from inside?
yeah.
Okay, I didn't see you do that.
Well, this is if you open it like this. You stick
I don't know what
your
it
key
is. Maybe a shovel or something.
in. Yep, it's not that key. Is this the key that came with? I think. Yep. So this one.
Open.
There we go. And we take that out and open it.
Look at that, they do.
See, it has that little like thing.
Oh,
that
there's the
opens it
lock part. Okay,
automatically.
cool.
Yeah, I like these actually.
Yeah, these are pretty cool.
Yeah.
48 to collect. All right, Jordan.
But people would think that you cannot open it. People would think that you cannot open like that.
Let's put the other one up.
You would have to have the key. I want to see if the other keys work.
Yeah, I think the other keys would work for the smaller one.
This one didn't come with it, and it works.
Oh yeah.
Did it?
No, that one
Oh,
came
yeah,
with
it
it.
did.
Yeah, that one came with it. Okay, so they both work on that one?
Yeah.
Small.
Cool.
I thought it came with the red one though.
Open.
They're all mixed up now. I have no idea.
No, the thing. Wait, will the red one work now?
Open.
Nope, the red one won't work. Is this one?
So the small, so the red one might do this.
Nope, this one's for that.
Yeah.
This pink one is for this
Do you see how I'm trying to set them up, guys? And Callie just keeps throwing them on the ground. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys.
This one's and this one.
Okay.
I'm trying to sort this out here.
Stop. All right. Let's set them. Callie, you can help me set them up. All right. So there they are. There's the big ones. Callie's gonna open up.
Wait, where did
Do the small
where does the surprise one go for that one? Did I even open that one surprise?
What's that? Yep.
I did? No! Where is it? I never saw it.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6.
No, I mean this one.
What?
For like this one. This one for
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, I didn't
So-
see this. I forgot that it was red. I thought it was like a one. This one right beside it. Oh wait, that one.
All right, so here's the 6 that we got.
And the one still wobbling.
We're gonna pick up more of these and collect some more of these.
Yeah, because there's 48 to collect.
Oops.
Also,
48 to collect.
I'm pretty sure there's a kitty one.
And then maybe once we get a lot of them, we'll play some bowling with them because they seem to be able to fall down easy.
Yeah. Even with elastic, you can just knock it down.
Yeah.
We have one right here. See?
Alright guys, so remember to subscribe to the Callie and Jordan squad. Comment down below whether you've seen these lock stars.
This one's so cute. I want it.
Here's all the ones that you can collect.
I got this.
If you haven't seen them, which ones do you want?
I want this one.
That one looks pretty cool. The
This
pirate
one's
one looks
pretty
pretty
cute,
cool.
too.
I like pirates.
Ooh, there's a butterfly one. I really
Oh,
want
it looks like a
this one
tiger
and
or
that one.
cat one.
Yeah, kitty.
No, right beside it.
Yeah,
That one.
that's.
Well, it looks like a tiger.
Oh,
Turtle.
turtle. A shark.
All right.
The
Oh,
shark's
the shark
funny.
one. Huh? That one would be cool. All right.
That one's cute.
Comment down below. Leave the video a big thumbs up. Share with your family, friends. Until next time.
Bye.